In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a leave in Zoho, People for one day to the date of birthday. This is a simple process inside Zoho People, and it is useful when your company allows a dedicated birthday leave or when you need to file a single-day casual leave that falls on your birthday. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard so you can access the menus on the left. Start by looking at the left sidebar, find and click Leave Tracker. This area is where Zoho People manages leave balances, requests, approvals, and leave history. Opening the Leave Tracker first helps you avoid submitting a request in the wrong section. Once you are in Leave Tracker, find the option for Leave Request, then choose Add Request. This opens the leave application form, where you will select the type of leave and the date details. Take a moment to confirm you are creating a new request and not editing an older one. Next, select your leave type. Depending on what your organization has configured, choose either casual leave or birthday leave. If birthday leave is available, it is usually the best match, since it is specifically meant for this purpose. If it is not listed, select casual leave instead. Always choose the option that matches your company policy, because leave types can affect approvals and balances. Now set the dates. For a one-day birthday leave, choose your birthday for both the from date and the to date. Setting the same date in both fields tells the system that the leave is only for a single day. Carefully double-check the month and day so your request is filed for the correct date, especially if you are submitting it ahead of time. After that, go to the interval drop-down and make sure full day is selected. This is important because if a half-day option is selected by mistake, the system will record fewer hours than you intended. Finally, review the details one last time, then click Submit. After you submit, your request will be recorded and typically routed to your manager or approver based on your company workflow. And that is all there is to it.